Kyrgyzstan.
Kyrgyzstan.
Hi. And it's our 27th country.
Kyrgyzstan, baby!
In just $6. Hello everyone, welcome back to For the Imprints. This is going to be our very first episode of our 27th country, Kyrgyzstan. So right now we'll be traveling from Kazakhstan to Kyrgyzstan. So join us in this episode to know how you can travel between these two countries in a cheaper way.
So let's go.
So we just checked out from our hotel and now in cab going to the bus stop. So from the city center to the Sayran bus stop. You have two options. You can either take the local public transit like the buses, which is very cheaper, 150 tenge each, and otherwise you can take a cab, which is around 1000 to 1200 tenge. So we opted for the cab because it's convenient and with the luggages, so that's why we took it. So it will take less than half an hour to reach the bus stop. So let's go and buy the ticket.
Впереди камера на полосу.
From Almaty to Bishkek, from Kazakhstan to Kyrgyzstan, if you're taking a bus, you have to come to Sayran bus stand. From Sayran bus stand, the ticket price to Bishkek is 3000 tenge per person. So for 3000, you can go from one country to another. Very cheap, dirt cheap. And you just need your passport. So now we got our ticket. Let's go. Today they have 5 buses, 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 2 o'clock and 6 o'clock. So you can take either one of them. We are taking the 12 o'clock one. And the journey is from here to Bishkek is around 3 to 6 hours depending upon the immigration checkpost in the Kyrgyzstan border. Seat number is assigned in the ticket, so for us it's 13 and 14. I don't see the platform number, maybe we can see that outside. They also have restroom in the bus stop.
So we have boarded our bus. It looks clean, though the space is a bit congested, but it's not for all the seats. Some seats have longer gaps and some have this shorter ones. It's heated. It's 11:45, 15 more minutes as per the scheduled timing of departure. So let's see when the bus starts.
So the bus started at 12 p.m. 12 minutes late. Let's see when we'll reach. Maybe 3 hours, maybe 6 hours. Who knows? So after 1 hour 40 minutes journey, we are at a rest stop. We're going for the washroom. Let's see how is the cleanliness of the washroom in this highway of Kyrgyzstan. Not Kyrgyzstan, Kazakhstan. 100 more kilometers to go. The washroom was Indian style washroom, not Western commode. And it was smelly and dirty. So we bought these biscuits, 850 tenge. Childhood memories. So let's continue the journey. 124 kilometers to go.
It's very cold.
Yeah.
And the entire land, it's like barren lands, though we have slept almost in the entire journey.
So we reached at the border 3:40 p.m. Now we are going to clear the immigration from Kazakhstan and also from Kyrgyzstan.
Just started the immigration by road, and it's our 27th country.
Kyrgyzstan, baby!
We are still walking towards our bus. It's a very long walk out in the cold, but it's a new country.
Oh, that's all. Thank you. Yeah. Tourist special bus? So somehow the bus doesn't go to the city center. It goes far away. So when we cross the border, we found out normally people take taxis. They just ditch the bus. One of our bus passenger, she told us we can hitchhike with them. So that's what we're doing. I don't know how much we have to pay or whether we have to pay or not at all. Let's see.
Say hi.
Приветствуй.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi there.
Hi, меня зовут Амир, я из Кыргызстана. Наше кафе очень вкусное, можете тоже приезжать. Как наше кафе называется? Айла Тантуни.
They have been the best people we have met once we entered Kyrgyzstan. Like they have been so helpful. They are offering us this ride to our hotel. Kyrgyzstan people are so good. Thank you so much. So we just got dropped off in front of our hotel by total strangers.
Bishkek Centrum Hotel, which is exactly on center of the town. The bus which was coming from Almaty to Bishkek, after immigration, it's supposed to go to the bus station, which is far from city center. So with the help of the local, we took their ride and we split the fare 50-50.
The first impression of Kyrgyzstan is amazing, like the same feeling we had in Kazakhstan as well.
So regarding visa for Canadian, it's visa free for 60 days. For Indians, it's also 60 days, but not visa free. You need to apply for e-visa, which takes around 45 US dollars and takes around 19 to 20 days to process. So if you're coming to Kyrgyzstan, make sure you have the e-visa. So let's go check in into the hotel.
Welcome to our sweet stay in Kyrgyzstan. কোথায় এটা? Welcome to our suite in Bishkek, Kyrgyzstan. So once we enter, first of all, this is a huge space. We have never lived in a suite before. The full-size mirror, and right opposite to it, we have a huge washroom. Very clean, like that's the priority here. But the space is also there. The amenities, wash basin, commode, full standing shower. Then as we go outside, here is a space for hanging your jackets and clothes. They have given us slippers. And this is just a living room here with a couch and tons of storage space here. And then here's a workstation. Coming here is the bedroom. We have a king size bed with 2 bedside table, a huge TV, a couch, and here another mirror with hot water kettle and amenities. And let's see what view we have.
One eternity later.
We have the view of the main street. So this is actually the main mall in Bishkek, which is some Dodio Plaza like that. And that is right opposite to your hotel. So this is very centrally located. Highly recommended as of now for the cleanliness and the location. So this is called Bishkek Centrum Hotel, and we booked this one for 4 nights, which is $58 per night. Not included breakfast, but breakfast is available at the property for $2 to $3 per person.
And for cash, we withdrew from the ATM Beeline Bank. There's no ATM charge, just near this mall. We always use Wise card. The Wise card will give you the best exchange rate. If you want to use the same, link in the description, or you can scan this QR code. Regarding SIM card, we are taking this SIM card, and this SIM card is 30 days, unlimited data, 500 SOM. And regarding transit, just like Kazakhstan, here in Kyrgyzstan, they also use Yandex. You can use the same. That's what we are using. Although we haven't used that from the border to this hotel, because as you know, we did hitchhiking. 500 SOM we have to pay because we did half and half with that other local. Total it was 955 SOM. We paid only 500.
And SOM is their currency with a C.
SOM.
So the first impression of Kyrgyzstan. So the first impression of Kyrgyzstan is it is as stylish and as modern as Kazakhstan, and I think I'm falling in love with Central Asia a little more with every country, because it's cheap, but you get the exact lavish lifestyle and the facilities infrastructure of developed countries. Like how amazing is that? This area is so underrated. If you're planning any tourism near soon, do put Central Asia in your map. Thank you so much everyone for watching this video till this end. I really hope you have enjoyed this video where we have changed countries in just $6, and that too in a scenic way. Do subscribe and share this one with your friends and family.
And please press the like button and the bell icon to get frugal videos. Till then,
Follow the imprints.